Okay, so we are here at Oyun Botanical Garden, and we have all these beautiful assortment of baby greens available for the market. Some have gone beyond baby, like the mustard there. We have the red mustard, bok choy. Those are going to be transplanted into another bed. What is that? Red Russian kale, lacinato kale, and some lettuce that is ready to be harvested. Okay, in this bed you will see the wonderful longevity spinach and the Okinawa spinach. So the one here with the purple, this is the Okinawa spinach, and the green down there is longevity. And also we have some Malabar spinach that was previously trellising over here coming up in this bed. But I would like to talk about these two spinaches because they are excellent sources of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and potassium. They're also high in antioxidants and liver protective. They lower blood pressure and blood sugar. What else? There's something really interesting about these herbs. Of course, they're anti-cancer, great source of fiber, but they're very prolific. So these were cuttings from a private client's garden of mine, and I brought them here, and they are just taking off very well. They can get up to about 4 feet tall, and they're sprawling. So if you just take a little piece, you can feed your family forever. Okay, in this bed we have some beautiful, majestic looking, I call them purple mustards, but you know, and again, I like a lot of stuff in its raw state, so does my children. So if you're one of those people who don't really care for the taste of cooked mustards or turnips, they're really great raw in salads, in your smoothies, or juicing them. They're very versatile, and if you have like respiratory issues, mustards are really great with that spiciness to kind of get in there and stimulate things and break things up. Over here we have an abundance of beautiful habanero peppers. You can get these at our market on Wednesday, and soon we're going to have our very own hot sauce coming. So stay tuned, as well as other dried herbs and seasoned blends. Okay, here we have wonderful beet tops and turnip tops. You can find those at our market. It's all good. You can, you know, all of these greens are versatile. Saute them, keep it light, keep the nutrients in them, add them to your smoothies, juice them, whatever you like, salads. All right, and here you'll see lots of parsley. This is the curly leaf parsley. And we all know parsley is a great heavy metal detoxifier. So if you got some mercury fillings like I do, you want to definitely incorporate lots of parsley into your food intake. You can add it to your salads, juice it, make tabbouleh with it. It's a wonderful Mediterranean dish. I'm sure you can find some great recipes on YouTube, but this is a very important, amazing, simple herb. Oh,